Welcome guys to another weekly update. So today I will share with you what I'm expecting next for the Bitcoin. We will start on our daily time frame. If we turn on our monthly profiles, and also if we just jump on our 4-hour time frame first, so you can see that after that drop to the downside we get a failed auction of the previous monthly value area low. So basically with a new monthly open we get a drop to the downside, we get the failed auction of the previous monthly value area low. Also if we turn on our weekly profiles, you can see that in that zone here we had the untested historical weekly value area low, and also if we pull out our Fibonacci range from that low to that high, you can see that we had the 0.75 in that zone. So basically after that rejection you need to look for the reclaim of the previous monthly value area low, which we also get that. We get a nice retest of the previous monthly value area low. So if I just turn off that and turn on the levels, so you can see here that we get a nice retest on the 4-hour of previous monthly value area low, and we get that 4-hour close above. So basically that was a confirm of the reclaim, and then we are aiming for the previous monthly value area high to be taken out. So basically we get a full rotation of the previous monthly value area. So for right now I'm bullish on the Bitcoin while we are trading above the previous monthly value area high, and I would aim for that unfinished high right here. If I just mark that, so this is the unfinished high. As you can see that we didn't take that high right here, but these guys are really tight. Maybe it would be easier if I mark that like that. So basically we have a high, lower high, so we have the unfinished high because it's really tight. So we know that we have here a lot of liquidity, and this is like the magnet for the price also. So basically we are bullish while we are trading about the previous monthly value area high. So basically for right now, if we just jump back on the daily time frame and pull out our anchored view up from the all-time high, also in that zone we had the anchored view up and the SMA 200. So basically for right now this is a nice resistance zone, but as I said, I'm bullish while we are trading about the previous monthly value area high, because if we just hide everything, because we are again accepted into the value area of the Julie. So basically for right now what I'm aiming is that unfinished high to be taken out, and also the untested monthly point of control and untested monthly value area high. So while we are trading about the previous monthly value area high, I'm bullish until we gain acceptance back into the profile from the August. So basically if we get that drop to the downside, and if we get that 4-hour close below the previous monthly value area high and then retest, that would be a sign of weakness, and then we can potentially aim for much lower prices, because we have a lot of unfinished business right here. We have the pure lows, and also we have a nice liquidity zone right here. If we just jump on the 30-minute and turn on our session time profiles, here this is a pure low. So we have one pure low, another pure low right here, and also this is a pure low right here. So basically this is like the magnet for the price. So we know that we have a lot of liquidity also right here. So basically if we gain acceptance back into that August profile, then I would aim for these lows to be taken out. And also if we jump on our CME chart of the Bitcoin, so you can see that here we have the that gap. So basically this is also the magnet for the price. So if we get accepted back inside into the previous monthly value area high and get that nice retest, then we can aim for much lower prices. If we don't get accepted back into the previous monthly value area high, then we can potentially run to the upside, take out that highs, and also we can look for that untested monthly point of control and untested monthly value area high, and basically we could potentially aim for the all-time high, because also when we get that drop to the downside, we get the swing failure pattern of that low right here, and then we get a nice rise to the upside. This was just the pullback, and then we can look for that run to the upside, because we have also a lot unfinished business right here. So basically, if we get that run and if we don't get any rejection from that high right here, so if you just take a recap, I'm looking for the swing failure pattern of that high right here. If you get that swing failure pattern, then I would be interested to take that short trade. So let's say if we get something like that, and if we get that 4-hour close below, then I would be interested to take that short. But we need to be aware of that drop to the downside. We need to be aware of that previous monthly value area high. If that hold as support, then we can basically look for another rise to the upside. But if we get accepted back inside into the previous monthly value area high, then we potentially could aim for the swing trade to take out that low here again, and maybe much lower prices. But for right now, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So basically, while we are trading above the previous monthly value area high, I'm more interested to get that another rise to the upside. So if you don't get any swing failure pattern or that high, then I would potentially aim for that untested monthly point of control, which is also the strong level. Also right here we have the untested weekly historical value area high. So basically this is one really nice and strong resistance zone. So basically, if you don't get any rejection from here, then I'm aiming for the untested monthly point of control and also the untested monthly value area high. So basically, I'm looking for 4-hour closes below that level. Then I would be interested to take that short. And if you don't get any 4-hour closes below, then we need to look for much higher prices, maybe the 62k, 64, and basically to take out the all-time high. So that would be it. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.